The Bajaj Chetak is an electric rebirth of the iconic petrol-powered scooter, the Chetak, that helped mobilize millions in India. Bajaj Chetak price. The Chetak's base variant retails for Rs122,453 for the premium edition in the Brooklyn Black, Hazelnut, Indigo Metallic, and Veluto Rosso colors, and Rs151,958 for the 2023 edition available in matte Caribbean Blue, matte Coarse Gray, and Satin Black colors. Bajaj Chetak features. The Chetak's headlight, taillight and indicators are LED units, while the instrument cluster is a fully digital color LCD unit. The electric scooter also gets smartphone connectivity, with app-based notifications to alert the owner if the scooter is tampered with or if it does not charge properly. You can also check the scooter's location, charge status, and remaining range using the app. That said, there's still no turn-by-turn navigation on the console. Bajaj Chetak motor. Powering the Chetak is a brushless DC motor producing a peak power of 4.08 kilowatts and a maximum torque of 16 Nm. With a 60.3 Ah lithium-ion battery pack, the scooter offers a claimed range of 108 km in eco mode, which is 18 km more than the outgoing model. It can be fully charged via a conventional 5A power socket in 5 hours, while a 25% charge can be achieved in just an hour. Bajaj provides a 3-year/50,000 km, whichever is earlier, warranty on the Chetak, including the battery. Its battery life is claimed to last around 70,000 km, while its service interval is every 12,000 km or 1 year. Bajaj Chetak suspension and brakes. Up front, the scooter features a single-sided suspension like the Vespa, and the rear gets a monoshock. There's a disc brake at the front and a drum unit at the back. Bajaj Chetak rivals. The Chetak Electric rivals the other 450X, TVS iQube Electric, Ola S1, Simple 1 and the Hero Vita V1. Bajaj Chetak specifications. Mileage range, 108 km per charge. Range 90 km per charge. Motor power 4200 W. Motor type BLDC. Charging time 5 hours. Max torque 16.2 Nm at 1400 RPM. Front brake disc. Rear brake drum. Body type electric bikes. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe.